We encounter the practice of sustainable from renewable energy and until to the recycling programs, and as well as the demand of product, infrastructure and lifestyle amendments grow. So should we go aware to live in a fragile, unbalanced environment and also in the society. So in that thing, we need a minimal impact of the environment and does not affect the public health and the safety. So as we the civil engineers and also from the future of the civil engineers, we need to play a vital role in the sustainable development in the meeting of the needs of public. And a civil engineer have the utmost responsibility to maintain the sustainable thing in and around the environment and also in the infrastructure needs. So as what we come with the theme of a sustainable thing, from the time of designing the theme, the word sustainable plays a major role in and around all our notes, in and around all our pens, in and around all our hands. And as what the Department of Civil Engineering of Ishwari Engineering College organizes its first international conference in the topic of Sustainable Environment and Civil Engineering, which ICSECE 2019. And I'll be continuing with that the engineers shall hold a predominant role in the safety, health and the welfare of the public. And this is not only about to the civil engineers, and it will be common to overall all the engineer field. And it should be have a principle of sustainable development with the performance of with professional duties. And continuing with that, continuing with that, sustainable development is the application of these resources with the enhancement of public safety, welfare, quality, life of a society. And the scope of your conference, which was to encourage and facilitate multidisciplinary civil engineering aspects with the most benefited in the state of art of sustainable methodology, and tracking the solutions of the knowledge based and the economic technologies also. The conference becomes an efficient knowledge enhanced platform for the researchers, engineers, students, entrepreneurs, architects and individuals from construction sector with the hope a development on a sustainable world. And continuing with this, papers are selected with a trend for a sustainable development, practice of sustainable development, the future of sustainable development. Accordingly, in the following multidisciplinaries of civil engineering like construction materials, structural health monitoring, water resource management, quality treatment in the water and the wastewater supply. Like this, some of the topics we had covered as a themes. And next to that, a total number of papers submitted is around about 230 after the experts review of to the core of a professional and the scientific standards. We are selected that accepted around 148 papers. After the presentation of reviewers, that will plan to announce a best paper award, and also the all selected papers are published in a conference proceedings with the ISBN International Standard Book Number, and the extended papers are going to publish in the indexed journal publications. As a part of the international conference ICSECE 2019, Department of Civil Engineering has established Engineering Innovative Skills Center EISCEEC. It's a first of a kind in our state, which is a collaborative research and a skill development service. In this skill center, the products and the services are displayed from the various industry participants. And also, in the first day of our conference, there is a workshop on a building information modeling, BIM, process and technology for the construction industry, which is sponsored by Bentley Systems and the CAD Center. ICSECE 2019 not only focused on a research, skill and technology development in the name of sustainable environment and civil engineering, and also we move forward to the creating awareness about opportunities in the field of civil engineers in the name of job fair in the second day of our conference. In addition to that information, industries also showcase their demonstrates in their latest products in the exhibit stalls, which covers the background of civil and environmental engineering, MEP services, and etc. Hope ICSECE 2019 provides an exchange platform for different approaches which can contribute to sustainability of the civil engineering sector. So thank you so much, and it will give us an immense pleasure to continue this thing as a coordinator in this conference. Thank you.